Hello and welcome to OvalFleet.com, a great resource hub for fleet owners, drivers, dispatchers, and shippers. In this video, I'll show you how to update the shipment information as a driver. Now, before I log into the driver's account, I am going to log in as a fleet owner first, since a lot of things are related. Now, let me open an incognito window and access a driver account. Gotcha. All right. From the fleet owners panel, let's go to the shipment. And let's look at this one right here. This shipment is initiated. From the driver's panel, let's go to the shipment. Okay, the one that is initiated, that means the shipment has been created, but the shipment has not been picked up yet. So let's go to the view details. Here, as a driver, I can see the details of the shipment. However, if I click on this, view shipment expenses, this is just for view for now. And if I click on edit or update, this is what it shows. Some of the features will not be accessible unless the goods are loaded in the truck or the time when the shipment is loaded and out and the status is in transit. So right now from the driver account, it cannot really do much. But what I can do is we can put in the mileage of the vehicle. Let's say at the loading point, my truck has a mileage of 50,000. And starting gas, let's say I got full. I arrived at loading point 1 a.m. The load time, if I put in 3 a.m. I save it. So these times are pretty much automatic, but right now I'm having to manually put that in because of the time. We're not in the real time over there. So if you go to view shipment, if we click on this shipment right here, Rob Little is the driver. So the shipment is initiated when the driver arrives at the load point or the origin. The driver informs either the dispatcher or the fleet owner. So the dispatcher or the fleet owner can update the status from this panel. Let's say I'm a fleet owner, I can update the status and I can click on confirm pickup. Driver arrived on time, apply, and that's going to change the status to shipment ready for pickup. Pickup confirmed. Let's look at the shipment again. It changed to pickup confirmed. Now when the driver arrives at the origin and the goods are loaded, again the fleet owner or the dispatcher is informed and they can update the status to in transit. Driver started off to destination. So when this is clicked, that means the driver is out the door for the destination, and the system clocks the time, of course. So when that is done, it shows on the driver panel in transit. Now when the shipment is in transit, the driver can go into the view details of the shipment, and from this field add shipment expense, click on this and add additional expenses that might occur if there is any. So expense type, there are different types of expenses that are already there. Preset, fuel, hotel, internet access, meals, snacks, medical, parking, postage, taxi, tolls, rest, gas, others. Let's just say there was some tolls that was not factored in, and the expense date was that, and the start time, end time. The start time and end time actually is for if there are fields like gas when the driver stopped for gas or whatever. And if these additional expenses driver wants to record, if there's a need to record, so it could be it could be anything, 12:30, 35. So the total, let's say $50 is there. So let's save it. So that one is saved. Now let's go and see if it reflects. So there you go. So now if the driver goes to this one right here, view shipment expenses, now it shows when, on which date, what time this $50 was there. Now this is where the driver will be able to see the list of shipment expense. Driver can edit it or can just look at this expense details right here, delete it, update it, or go back to view shipment expenses. Now from the fleet owner account, if I want to view that, I can go click on this one, and this is where it shows the list of shipment expenses. Again, if I go to the expense details, I can delete it, edit it, or I can go back to this panel right here. And this all happens when the shipment is actually in transit, when it's out the door from the load point, because the system will not allow any input on this shipment expense unless the shipment is out the door already from the load point. So there. Thank you for watching.